is a time of love and romance, secret recipes, aphrodisiacal recipes. It culminates into one magical day for us at Hop and Chef when we create wonder, magic, and all the other adjectives you can name off. Well, applying that to food is no easy task. Well, here I have a chicken marinated in fruit like oranges and spices and served with a delicious, spicy chocolate sauce. I'm going to now marinate the chicken. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the chicken into the bowl. Then I'm going to add some orange juice and zest to this. And just some zest into the bowl. Not too much, just a little. You don't want the white pith getting into the chicken because that will turn it bitter. So that's my chicken marinade ready. All that's left to go in is the pink peppercorns. Give this a quick mix and leave it aside for about 30 minutes. The first thing is some oil. About 4 flakes of garlic. Lightly saute the garlic before adding in some cumin, a piece of cinnamon. Roast it for a few seconds. Add a teaspoon of white sesame seeds. A quick stir. Then add in the tomato puree. The moment the tomato puree comes to a boil, add in a teaspoon of paprika. Paprika gives a mild, warm heat to the dish, unlike chili, so it's quite pleasant actually. Turn off the heat. As soon as the bubbles start to subside, you add in your chocolate to it. So I'm going to add my chocolate, dark bitter chocolate, and stir this gently. If your flame is too high, the chocolate will coagulate and will not melt. I'm going to now add in the cornmeal. This helps thicken the whole dish. I'm going to gently bring the heat back up again. As soon as you see the bubbles coming through, I'm going to add in the roasted walnuts to the dish. Now quickly turn off the gas. The sauce is now ready, and I'm now going to grill the chicken that has been marinating for about 30 minutes in a fresh pan. So I've got a fresh pan on the gas. I've had the chicken marinating in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and now I'm going to pan grill it. First I'm going to add some oil to the pan. Let the pan heat up a little bit. I'm going to now add in the chicken pieces. Throw in a pinch of salt. So about 3 minutes on each side and your chicken will be done. Okay, the chicken is ready and all that's left is the plating. The spicy mole sauce goes at the bottom. Place the chicken, some microgreens, and just throw in a few edible flowers to make the plate pretty. A citrusy chicken with a mole sauce.